Oh shit, did somebody fall? Is that down there?
A human?
I don't know, I saw something.
Look at this. And I touched the CDT. Continental Divide Trail. I touched it. I touched it. I didn't think I was going to touch that here.
So pretty.
There we go. You just feel grounded with every movement I hear of the water rushing by, the rain raining down on my face. It's like a nature reflection. This is a nature reflection. And it's just so nice outside. That's how I feel. That's how the outdoors is making me feel right now. Look at that. There's the Butte, Crested Butte. You can see it from this angle.
You see how it's crested?
It is Crested Butte. Nice. Every angle in the rain. Help keep your land clean. Period. So pretty. Okay. I'm right behind you. There you go. Strip it in as it comes towards you. Yeah, there you go.
What did you told me to do like a J?
It's like a arc.
Arc like that.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, it's.
I don't even know where it is. Is it in my hair?
No, I have. Yes. It's somewhere. I don't know where it's at. Shit. Oh, I see. It's on your jacket. Oh, look. You hooked yourself.
I knew that was gonna happen.
That's okay.
Strip in your line. Oh, I think you had something. Oh, you got a stick? Oh, catch of the day. We got a tree pounder. Let me, oh shit, I forgot the net. Yes, yeah. Do you want a picture with it? You gotta hold it like a white guy on Tinder. They do the yeah. There you go.
Man, I'm not even that experienced.
Yes. Love it.
I'm just thinking it was caught on something. It was caught on something already. Perfect. Thank you.
Congratulations on your first catch.
Thank you. Look, I caught a fish! Eric wants me to touch it. You gotta wait again. You're a fish! Oh my god! Okay, I'm good. I touched it. I held it a little. Yay, my instructor. Woo-hoo. There it goes. That's Sizzle.